Alright, so there go my seasoning. Garlic powder, onion powder, ginger, black pepper, grace browning, Maggi season, salt, my garlic powder. Here go my oxtail. You can see how big they are. They're really huge. I'm about to season them up and I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm gonna season my oxtail. See, I got a little salt in a container right here. Put on my Maggi season. My Maggi season right here. All purpose. You know, the Maggi make the food get great flavor. So I'm about to make this oxtail. It's gonna soak for overnight, and I'm gonna cook it tomorrow for my Sunday dinner. So I'm gonna put on some ground ginger on there too. You know, ginger gives the food flavor. You know, first time I'm using ground ginger in my oxtail, and I'm trying something a little different because I know ginger is full of flavor. So I'm gonna put on my ginger now, guys. I'm gonna sprinkle on my ground black pepper. So I'm gonna put some browning on my oxtail. I'm not gonna use too much. Just a little sprinkle. And I'm gonna rub it in. And I'm gonna make my oxtail soak, guys. So after I finish rubbing it in, y'all gonna see the after effect. How the oxtail is of a dark brown, dark brownish, darkish color. You know, this is how we cook Jamaican oxtail. So after I'm finished, guys, I'll be back and show you how the oxtail is of a dark color. Cause you see it's right now, it's all seasoned up. So as y'all can see, but I can't see so. You know, now the oxtail now under in the pot. You know, frying it up, getting it to that brown color, you know, that pretty color. And then I'm gonna transfer it to my pot right here to cook it down. Now, the oxtails are so big. I hope they can fit in this pot. I really hope they can all fit in the pot because the oxtail are so huge. I say, people, that one here I go wicked. I say, yo, that video I go wicked, peeps. Yeah, man. I'm gonna approximately let this cook for at least 6 to 8 hours, peeps. Yeah, and you know, rice and peas, you know, the peas soak overnight. Yeah, you see, the rice and peas are oxtail in a peeps. Yeah, man, I want to wicked in a peeps. You know your boy Ricky Class Cooking Adventure. first to do it though. Yeah. I've never seen nobody cook no big oxtail like this. Yeah. Yes sir. And I wanna load it up. Yeah man. Alright guys. Y'all is seeing me back when I got an oxtail cooking down. So stay tuned peeps. Okay peeps, so see I got my onion right here and my thyme. You know real Jamaican love the thyme in the food now. And thyme give the food flavor. So I'm about to put my onion and thyme in the oxtail pot. The pot is so full. The pot is so full peeps. I make this start to boil approximately 6 to 7 hours. You know I'm about to put on the pot cover and make the food, the oxtail cook. So I'll catch y'all back when the oxtail is finished and me cooking the rice and peas. Stay tuned peeps. They say that video gonna be hot like fire peeps. So after I finish fry up the oxtail, you see I'm cooking it down. Keep boil at a very high temperature. See the pot bubbling? You know this is for the American people and to the Jamaican people overseas, or to the American who got Jamaican parents and their parents never taught them how to cook. So this is how you have the oxtail in the pot. You know, this is how you cook stove top oxtail. So it's going to boil at a very high for approximately 7 hours, and I'm going to check it and see if it's tender. And I keep adding hot water if the water go down. So I'll see y'all back when the oxtail is finished cooking. Okay peeps, so it's my rice and peas pot. Rice and peas pot. Fire real high. And you know, can't make rice and peas without what? Coconut milk. Putting the coconut milk in. See my coconut milk. Cook my rice and peas. Yeah, rice and peas is nothing without the coconut milk peeps. So the pot bubbling. Man, the pot bubbling peeps. It's melted right now. The oxtail so tender. Look here. That's when the farmers are catching. The peeps. Meat a fall off of the bone. Watch it peeps. So big these oxtails are, look so big these are. These ain't the ordinary oxtail people. Yeah. Look at the meat just falling off the bone people. Actually the fat going right through. Oh my god, the floss, this one is epic. Oh my god. Peeps, I wish I was here to taste some of this. Oh my god. So when I cook Jamaican rice and peas peeps, this should be the end result. This should be the end result. So this is how the rice and peas are supposed to come out. You know? See how moist it is. You know, some people cook Jamaican rice and peas and they rice and peas be dry. So dry, so moist that is. Yeah, this is how your rice and peas should come out, you know. Yes, peeps. I tell you, so this one is so epic. So peeps, this is all my Jamaican oxtail look when it's finished. Thank you for watching. This is my Jamaican oxtail and rice and peas.